So there's a lot of misinformation about tea. Red, white teas, green teas, black teas. They're very high in antioxidants, I agree. However, they're also a high source of fluoride. And I can't help but think, Chantel, there was so many women complaining of thyroid issues. It's because they're overdoing too much of a good thing. So,
wow, I love that.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I know what I'm talking about. I've been around most that have been out there, and I can just tell you, when we get rid of the green tea, the white tea, the kombucha, which is made from tea, as well as the regular new teas that are out there, the black teas, people lose weight better, and if they just switch to the herbal teas, and there's no fluoride toxicity, which can be tested through an iodine loading test. But just get rid of the tea, and if you've got a problem with weight loss, this may be the linchpin that you've been waiting for, and it's worth just listening to the whole podcast for that piece of information alone.